So glad you could make it.
You know, it's nice here. Trees, birds, rocks, but nothing ever happens.
Oh no, there's lots going on.
Like what?
You're a believer. You've been to Roswell, right?
3, no 4 times. Never saw a thing, but someday.
So, this happened. You know Billy Spark?
The singer-songwriter?
He's got a place just down the road.
He's so cool.
Billy was walking down the road, heard something, looked up, and what do you think he saw?
Trees, birds, rocks.
Well, yeah, but also...
Wow.
Wow.
I know. I wouldn't have believed it either, but he's a songwriter. They always speak the truth, right?
Why is this always so hard?
I hate this job!
A paralyzingly beam.
Totally.
Take us to your leader, Ming the Mediocre.
Then we will enslave you.
Who? Huh? What?
We got the wrong planet! Man!
Inconceivable!
We're so sorry. We took a wrong turn at Alpha Centauri.
Oh, no problem, space dudes. I know you're just taking care of business.
I told you to look at the map.
I did look at the map.
No, you didn't.
Did!
Did it?
Did!
Groovy.
Is that true?
It all depends on what you mean by true.
Why is this always so hard?
I hate this job.
I didn't step on it.